Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up Apple Pay on Apple Watch. So the very first thing that you need to do is you have to add a card to your Apple Watch with your iPhone. So here you will see this on your iPhone. So first you have to go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap on My Watch, then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Then you just have to add any of the following types of cards. So a new card or a previous card, you can tap on add card, then just follow the on-screen instructions. And then if you want to add a card stored in your iPhone, you can tap on add next to the card. So your card issuer may require additional steps to verify your identity, so you just really have to do that. Now after that, just add a card on Apple Watch. So you can add Apple account, credit, debit, and transit cards. So right on the Apple Watch. So go to the wallet application on your Apple Watch. It looks something like this, like the logo. Then just tap on the three dots. Then just tap on add card. Then you just have to choose Apple account, debit or credit card, or even transit card. Then just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, choose your default card. So go to the wallet application on your Apple Watch, something like this. Tap on the three dots again and then tap on default card. Then you just have to select the card that you want to default. Now you can also go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap on My Watch, then tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Then just tap on default card, then choose a card. So that's basically everything that you need to know on how to set up Apple Pay on Apple Watch. So I'm just going to be pasting the link on the description box so that you can also access this website. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!